Hi, welcome back to my channel. Here's another new code. Watch out and take care.
The beautiful Nina Takasaka. Code JUQ113. Released on October 11, 2022. And it has 120 minutes watch time. The story is about father-in-law and his daughter-in-law. One day, the family went to hot spring to relax. So when they arrive at the place, the girl wants to do playtime with her husband. Apparently, the guy was not on the mood, so the girl was deeply sad. So the girl went outside to unwind. However, while the girl was doing her playtime alone, the old guy saw the girl. So the old guy didn't waste the opportunity. The old guy went inside the room. They spent quality time together and the wonderful story began.
Make sure to subscribe and like and turn on notification for new codes. Thank you for watching.